Good morning, students. Welcome, everybody. See, in the last lecture, I taught you the lesson, the work of a fabric. Work means value, and fabric means cloth. In this lesson, we came to know about the Thiruvalluvar, a great Tamil saint poet who lived 2000 years ago. Tirukural is the book of his teaching. Means he wrote a book named Tirukural. Okay, he is greatly loved and respected even today. Okay, as a saint, as a poet, as a writer. Okay, what we had understood from this lesson that Tiruvalluvar was saint, poet as well as a textile weaver. Textile weaver. Okay, means to make cloths. कपड़े बनाता थी. He wore beautiful fabrics. He made beautiful fabrics and saris and sold them in the market. Okay. In the same town, there lived a young man who wasted most of his time roaming around with his friends and making fun of the others. One day, he decided that he will make Thiruvalluvar angry because Thiruvalluvar was such a calm person that he never got angry, never used bad words, never shouted at anyone. And what this rich young man decided that he and his friend will tease him, make fun of him, and make him angry. So he made a plan. He went to the market and purchased a fabric, a beautiful piece of fabrics, and he asked the Thiruvalluvar what is the cost of the fabric. What did he say? Thiruvalluvar said it's 8 coins. Okay. The young man unfolded that fabric and tore into two pieces. Okay, एक बड़ा पीस फैब्रिक का लेके उन्होंने क्या किया, वो यंग मैन ने क्या किया, उसे फाड़ दिया बीच में से. आफ्टर दैट ही आस्क्ड हिम Thiruvalluvar what is the price of this. So what he replied, Thiruvalluvar said now it is of 4 coins. Okay, you know that अगर 8 coins का ये है तो उसका अगर आधा कपड़ा आप ले रहे तो नेचुरली हाफ रेट हो जाएगा. The youth was what he did. The man didn't get angry. Means Thiruvalluvar didn't get angry because tearing such a beautiful cloth into 2 pieces, naturally anyone would get angry. कोई भी गुस्सा हो सकता है. आपने एक पसंदीदा कपड़ा लिया, उसमें अगर किसी ने दाग लगा दिए, फाड़ दे तो आप बहुत गुस्से हो जाओगे, उसे मारने जाओगे या कुछ बड़बड़ाओगे. You'll see. Okay. बट ही वॉज क्वाइट काम. अभी फिर उस हाफ का और एक हाफ कर दे. ओके, देन अगेन ही टोर इनटू हाफ and again he asked Thiruvalluvar what is the cost now. Then he said 2 coins. Now this young man, now he became impatient because he tried his hard to make him angry make Thiruvalluvar angry, but he wasn't angry. He didn't say even a single words. He was very calm, patient and all. Now this young man lost his patience and he became very frustrated. Again he started tearing it half and half into small pieces. He made into very small pieces. Again he asked for Thiruvalluvar what is the rate now. Then what did he tell? Thiruvalluvar said this fabric has reduced 2 rags. मतलब ये चिंदी बन चुका है and nobody will pay for it and it's worthless for asking a amount. यानी ये बेकार होगा अगर इन चिंदियों के लिए मैंने कोई अमाउंट लगा दिए तो अभी ये इसका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. nobody will purchase this rags, so it is now out of no use. So what did the young man do as he was rich and he was proud about his richness also. So what he did, he paid 8 coins to the saint Thiruvalluvar and said take this amount, I have told you fabric into pieces so you can have your money. What did he reply? Young man, now the fabric is of no use, so there is no use of taking the money also. Okay, then he explains that how the fabric is made, how his wife helped him in doing all the works and all, how the farmers grow the cotton in the field. For after many months they get throughout the sun and rain, they do their job and it is picked from each wall. See over here, it is shown over here, and then it is turned into a uniform thread and this thread is colored, and after that his weaving is done and they get the fabric. यानी कपड़ों को किस तरह बनाया जाता है ये एक्सप्लेन किया गया। आफ्टर दैट ये बोलते ये जो मेहनत हम लोगों ने किया है, फार्मर से लेके इतने सारे लोगों ने जो ये कपड़े बनाने में मेहनत किए हैं, अब इन मेहनत का कोई आपने जब ये कपड़ों को आपने इतने छोटे छोटे पीस में फाड़ दिए, उनका सारे मेहनत ज़ाया गए या बेकार चले गए। सो व्हाट इज दिस, मनी कैन नॉट ब्रिंग, मनी आपने जो पैसा मुझे दे रहे हैं वो उनका मेहनत को या उनका प्यार जो प्रति कपड़े बनाते वक्त जो प्यार होता है, उस एक फील होती है उनको कि मैंने बनाया है इतना अच्छा से, तो वो सब फील इस यूजलेस, उसका कोई मायने नहीं रह जाता। तो ये बात सुन के द यंग मैन्स आर्ट ये हो जाता, इज गॉट टच्ड अप, इज अशेम्ड ऑफ हिमसेल्फ, उनको उसको तभी महसूस होता है कि उसने गलती की है। ओके, तिरुवल्लुवर वेंट ऑन टू से आई कैन व्यू, बोलते मैं जाके और ऐसे इस तरह के कपड़े बना सकता हूँ, बट आवर लाइफ इज़ ऑल्सो लाइक अ फैब्रिक, अपना कपड़ा अपना लाइफ भी क्या है, कपड़े की तरह है। अगर उसको अच्छी तरह से ये करोगे, स्पेंड करोगे, यूज़फुल रखोगे, लोगों के लिए हेल्प में लाओगे, तो इट विल बी अ गुड वन, अगर अदरवाइज इट विल बी डिस्ट्रॉयड। जिस तरह यंग मैन जो था रिच, ही वॉज रिच एंड ही वॉज मेकिंग फन ऑफ द अदर्स, अगर इस तरह कोई इंसान दूसरे का मजाक उड़ाने, किसी को नीचा दिखाने में का काम करता है, तो उसको ज़िंदगी का कोई मायने नहीं रह जाता है। तो वी हैव टू बी सच अ पर्सन दैट एवरीवन विल लव यू, बॉदर यू, और आप ऐसे काम करके जाओ कि वो ज़िंदगी भर आपको याद रखे। दिस इज व्हाट इन द लेसन, आई रिवाइज दिस लेसन अगेन, I have given some of the questions, and the last lesson which I taught you, some students were not able to write the answers for some of the questions, so I have given them the answer in the assignment. So please copy that answers and try to find the answers and send in your group. Okay, thank you.